Hey everyone, it's Jessica, and in today's video I thought I would share with you guys a review of some new blackout curtains that I got for my sliding glass door, and I also picked up a couple of pairs for my mom as well. The curtains are by Door-Kgorge, and I will have their info linked down below in case you are in the market for new curtains. The ones that I chose are 100% blackout curtains, and they come 2 to a pack. They are 52 inches wide by 95 inches long, but they do come in various sizes and also colors as well. As you can see here, they are double lined. And let me tell you, they are pretty heavy, so you want to have a sturdy curtain rod if you're going to hang these up because they did have some weight to them. I chose the ones with the rod pocket, but I decided to hang them from these curtain clips that I already had just because I am going to use them on my sliding glass door, and having the clips makes it easier for me to pull them back and forth when I'm opening and closing them. And here is what they look like on my sliding glass door during the day when they are open. So all of the other windows in my home have blinds on them, but I didn't want to put any on my sliding glass door because I really don't like the look of them, but I did want the privacy. And here's what they look like when they are completely closed. I'm really pleased with them. They block out all of the light. One thing that I will point out is you will need to iron or steam the curtains. I steamed mine, but I think I need to go back over them with an iron to get them completely straight from being in the package. So far, I'm really impressed with them, and I will link all of the information down below in case you are in the market for new curtains. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.